Hi, I'm happy to see you all, and today the topic I'm going to discuss is give it all. Give more of what you want to receive. So, when we think of giving, it's more about what we want to receive. So, if you want to receive more books, then give more books. If you want to receive more money, then you want to give more money. So, the principle goes like this: what goes around comes around. So, it's purely the bliss. So it's all about helping others if you want to receive more help. Yeah, so I have a few pointers on 5 things. Thing I want to discuss is don't hold it back. See, we all crave for appreciation, we all crave for people to appreciate. The same thing goes well when it comes to others. So we need to appreciate others and we need to give good comments for others. So it's very much important that when we offer whatever skills, talents, God given gift wholeheartedly to others, when we just open up and be of some service, some free service, then definitely it will resonate back and people will come to join you in your business. Second point I mentioned is give wholeheartedly. So there is a beautiful thing when you give wholeheartedly. The thing is that everyone can feel emotions, everyone can feel what exactly the other person is trying to do. When you have this hook on expecting something in return, then it is easily felt by the other person and you automatically are biased to take action in that way. So my point is that when you give wholeheartedly, don't expect anything in return. So give it just like that, and definitely it will resonate with the other person. So the person, once he starts liking you, then he will automatically come to your business and he would want to associate with you. So that's the kind of feeling you should be giving to the customers, to the people who are coming to as the leads. So by doing this, you are attracting. Like I mentioned, the third point is let the other person feel it. It's the game of feeling. You gotta give the feeling to the other person that yes, I am at the right hands, and this person is safe to join. So when you give a feeling of joy to the other person, definitely he's going to resonate and come back to you. So that's the kind of thing I'm talking about. The fourth point is do it with passion. It's important in online business because when we do this, there is money in it. But I'm not talking about the money. It's about the passion. You have to be passionate about what you're doing. You have to be passionate about the service you're offering. Dominate in giving. This is the fifth point. Actually, we love to dominate in many things, but why not dominate in giving? Just give it in such a manner that the other person feels that he is not keeping anything back, he is not holding anything back, and he is truly being himself, offering everything. So this makes one person truly associate with the business. Yeah. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I think you get some benefit out of watching my video. If you like, so subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow on the challenge. Bye.